Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a double unboxing. Two watches here from BOLDR Supply Company. One will be stainless steel and the other will be bronze. The package is a little dirty, but it did come from halfway around the world. So let's pull this off the table and just tear it open here. I guess I will need to cut it a little bit. Alright, taking a little more effort than I thought it would. There we go. One box there. And a second box there, and need to close up my Swiss Army knife. That thing's pretty old, actually. Oh, this is DHL. The package is from UPS. I know. I guess it is from DHL. It's a UPS envelope, but it was shipped by DHL. So anyway, let's get this one out. I kind of like to reuse this bubble wrap, but it's not going to happen. So let's just rip it open. Or not. Alright, so let's see what we have here. This is, hopefully you can read that, Odyssey Black Abyss, designed by BOLDR. Then we have Odyssey Bronze Auburn. So I don't know, I'll start with the stainless steel, I guess. I do like these cases. They look like a little Pelican case, or I don't know, pick your brand of crush-proof, waterproof case. Oh yeah, very cool. It's a darker stainless watch. It almost looks like galvanized metal, galvanized steel. It's a cool looking watch. I'm not sure what process they went through to do this. It looks like maybe like a stone washed finish. Nice black dial, and then some vintage lume here. Very cool looking watch. It looks like the Lumicast as well. It's got some depth to it, three-dimensional lume. So I had a while back a bronze watch with the Lumicast, bronze BOLDR. So yeah, very cool. It's definitely on the heavy side, but that's the appeal of these watches to me. It's fun to wear different types of watches. Normally I prefer a thin watch, but it's fun to wear a large watch like this every once in a while. Let's take a look at the case back, and then I'll get the other one out of the box, and I'll try them both on wrist. This isn't, I can't remember if this is FKM rubber. It's another rubber that's pretty close to FKM. Feels very good in hand here. I'm sure it'll feel good on wrist as well. Yeah, there it is there. That's the rubber mix. Hopefully you can read that there. Quick release, a nice engraved case back. automatic, sapphire, stainless steel, BOLDR Odyssey, 500-meter water resistance. So very cool. I might compare this to one of my other dive watches that's also 500-meter water resistance. Not sure yet, but I do like this finish. It's very neat. Really appreciate BOLDR sending these over for us to check out. These are on loan. I'll be sharing them with some other guys as well. All right, let's set this off to the side. Didn't close my knife. There we go. Safety first. All right, same case. Oh, very cool. It's got a nice color to it. Kind of smells a little bit too. Not a bad smell, just I don't know. This strap is cool. It looks like a leather strap, but it's rubber, and that matches the dial perfectly. Very cool. Bronze watch here. I have another one that has some patina on it. Christopher Ward. I'll show these two side by side in the video too, I think. You know, when the bronze watches first came out, well, there is a kind of a recent fad that kind of was reborn, I guess. But when they first came back out, I wasn't really into them. You know, you can scratch these a lot easier. They age, but I think everyone should have at least one bronze watch in the collection. It's neat to see them age, and they have different colors, and I think they're fun. So if you don't have a bronze watch, you might want to consider picking one up. The selection feels the same as the other one. This Auburn dial is pretty cool. I've not had a watch with this color dial before. And then the lume kind of matches the color of the bronze, I guess, or the, yeah. This must have, yep, sorry, it's got plastic on it. This one must have as well. Sorry about that. There we go. So let's show these side by side. Oops. Oh, just knocking my Petoskey stones around over here. No big deal. I guess I needed to reset how stuff was laid out in that tray anyway. I'll set the case down here by the side. I want to lose my stones. So there we go. The what was this called? The black steel, abyss steel. I forgot what this is called. And then the bronze. Then, if you want to see what this looks like next to a more typical stainless steel watch, there we go. There. Alright, I'll take this watch off wrist, throw these two on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. Let me know what you guys think of these two watches. I think they're fun. I have never seen a brown rubber strap before, so that's pretty neat. It gives me the impression of leather. Sorry, I got some styrofoam or something stuck in my fingers. Alright, let's get the bronze on wrist first. It'll look quite large on my wrist, but that's okay. I have a 6.5 inch wrist for reference. Take them down to the second from the smallest hole position here. More styrofoam. Trying to pull this keeper up a little bit. I guess that's good enough for now. Yeah, I believe these are around 15 millimeter thick. Crown, I think, is at least 8, if it's similar to the other ones I've had in the past. See, I had a green dial, and then I think it was a navy blue dial, and now this brown dial, bronze watch from Boulder, all in on loan. So very cool to see these different color patterns. And this bronze almost looks, it almost looks like rose gold or something, or maybe it's my new lights. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of the color tone of this bronze watch. Maybe it's my imagination. All right, let's get the other one on wrist. Definitely a cool finish on this stainless steel watch. So there you can kind of get an idea how it looks compared to standard stainless steel, looking at it compared to the case back here. So this should fit pretty closely to how the bronze watch just fit. If I move this keeper ahead of time. I think these keepers are sticky enough, or the material is sticky enough, that you don't necessarily need a little tab on these keepers. Some of these rubber straps, there's a tab on the keeper that will index inside of the hole positions here, so the keeper won't slide off. But this thing, it's not sliding off. It's pretty stuck in place there. So there we go. I kind of like the bronze in this case style. Let me know your preference. I'm curious. All right, let's zoom out here and then we'll close out the video. Sorry about going a little long, but it is 2 watches here, so get some AR coating applied there. Yeah, looking forward to you spending some time with these 2 watches. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, click the bell, like the video, and leave a comment below. Really enjoy talking back and forth with you guys on what you think of these watches, and hopefully we can learn from each other. I know I'm learning from you guys, and hopefully you're learning something from me as well. So as always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.